You, what was good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. I know y'all never seen my face before. That's not true. Y'all seen my face on the banners, the YouTube banners, my YouTube profile picture, but you guys are actually seeing my face for once. I know it's crazy, y'all. Anyways, guys, listen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech, guys. I know. I'm feeling real excited. I know y'all saw by the thumbnail. I know y'all saw by the title. Yes, I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on your Samsung Galaxy S23 or any Galaxy for that matter. All right? Look, it should look something like this. All right? Look, boom, boom, and then boom. Look, it should look something like this. It'll tell you your battery status on your phone. Yo, guys. Before we get into the video, I don't want to waste your time, right? Yo. What is going on over here? Hold on. Wait a second. I selected the wrong thing. Yo, guys. We're at 277 subscribers. Do you know how crazy that is right now? We're at 277 subscribers. Got round of applause. You guys are OGs. You guys are the real ones. You guys support me. You get me? Yeah. I love each and one of you guys. For real. You guys contribute to this community. Y'all contribute to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. You guys contribute. Do you know how much this means to me right now? I'm lost for words. Anyways, let's get into the video. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get into the video. All right, so boom. Okay, we got the S23 right here. I'm gonna screen record what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna put it like right here or something like that. Okay, so let me just do that real quick. Boom, boom, and start recording. Y'all should see my screen in right now. Okay, so look, we're on the Galaxy right here. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your settings. You just push that down there. You want to go to your settings. From your settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down. Actually, you don't want to scroll down. You want to click on here. You want to click on diagnostics. Then you want to click on diagnostics. Now you can see everything about your device, how your device is doing. You know, the battery, the storage, the memory, everything is here. As you can see right now, on the recording, it says that the device is great. Okay, so what you want to do is, though, to check your battery health, you want to click down here on diagnostics. Once you're there, you want to click on phone diagnostics. Click on that, and then you see it can check. It basically diagnoses everything on your phone: your NFC, your SIM card, your power, restart status, everything. But we wanna look at the battery status. So what you want to do is you want to click on battery status right here, and then boom. Once you're on battery, you want to click on test again. Okay, because I already tested it, and basically it'll tell you if your battery is good or not, kind of like this. All right, it's so easy to do. You guys can check like this and make sure that your battery is all good. Initially, before I did this, though, it was asking me to sign in with my Samsung members, I believe. And so you guys just configure that, sign in with your Gmail, whatever. Once you do that, boom, come back on here, boom. And then you should be greeted with this panel right here. And then you just click on the battery, test, and boom, it'll tell you if your battery is normal or not. Simple steps, simple thing to do right here, okay? All right, YouTube. That's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up here. Guys, do I need to show you guys again? 277 subscribers. Y'all crazy. Y'all joining and supporting the crew. Y'all joining Tech Realism. We building and we growing up here. All right, YouTube. That's the video. We out. Peace.